Oh my God, I die. Damn. Period.
We have a policy. No stiff curls. Let me put you on game. We're gonna give her a total reset. Flo-etry and Shook, here we come. Flo-etry, boom. 2 pumps max. I love this product so much because of the va-va-voom, because it's weightless. It gives you bouncy curls. Profaxil-18 allows you for those rich oils that we all love so much to break down and penetrate into your hair to give you that weightless bouncy curl. Do you guys see this 2-color gradation? This is Shook. Let's shake it up a bit. This is gonna give you that definition, that shine.
Oh, that's it. So light, no crunch, no stiffness. Oh my God, I die. Damn. Period. No way.
Early girls, what did we talk about? There's a no stiff rule policy here. Those days, finito. She's bouncy and hydrated. She's soft and beautiful. She's luscious and voluminous is what she was asking for from the beginning.